How to make a TikTok video private. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now open a video from your feed. Then, tap on the three dots on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other settings below. Swipe left and go to Privacy Settings as shown. Here, you can choose who can watch this video. Select Only You. You have now successfully made this video private to only you. Now go back to your profile and you will no longer see the video on your feed. You can find it in the private video section as shown in here. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok video private.